Fifth standard students, we are starting from 143 page number. Okay, here the table is given for the year 17. Okay, so in Indian currency you can see in the table, and question based on that table is, first question is, so in which, for the which country the highest rupees in India. So for this question the answer is England. So in the statement form, when you will write the money of England country will cost the most in Indian rupees, that is 1 pound is equal to rupees 86.63. Okay, now second sum is Mithun's uncle in America had sent him 10 USA dollar as a gift. Mithun used 350 rupees for a school trip. How much money was left with him? So what we will do, we will change the USA dollar in rupees, then 10 USA dollar we will change in the rupees, and then whatever amount used by Mithun we will subtract. So let us start. 1 USA dollar is equal to rupees 65.29. So 10 USA dollars is equal to rupees 65.29 into 10. When you will multiply by 10, so only 0 you will increase. So before 2-digit decimal is there, so you will put decimal. So rupees 652.9. 9, that means 90 paisa. And 90 paisa is near to 100 paisa, and 100 paisa is equal to rupees 1. So approximately we can say that rupees 653. Okay, so now given Mithun used rupees 350 for a school trip, then left money with Mithun is equal to this subtraction. You will show here method, and here you will write answer, and in the statement form also you will write the answer. Next question is, Majid's father is working in UAE. He gets 1000 dirham as salary. Arun's father, who is working in Sri Lanka, gets 2000 Sri Lankan rupees. Who gets more Indian rupees as salary? Now, so for this what we will do, we will change in the Indian currency this dirham and Sri Lankan rupees. So since 1 dirham is equal to rupees 17.79, so 1000 dirham is equal to multiplication. So what you will do, you will forget for a moment this decimal, and simply you will write 1779 and 000, and before 2 digit you will put decimal. You can see in the video. So you will get the money 17,790. Same way you will change this. 1 Sri Lankan rupees is equal to rupees 0.43 in Indian currency. So 2000 Sri Lankan rupees is equal to simple multiplication. So same way, now for a moment forget the decimal. So 30 you will put as it is, and 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, and before 2 digit you will put decimal. You will get in Indian currency rupees 860. Now you can compare the salary of both the persons. You will get 17,790 is greater than 860. So you will write in the statement form, Majid's father earn more. Okay. Now next question is, Lena's auntie brought a present for her from China. It cost 30 yuan. Find what it costs in Indian rupees. So first we will calculate for 1 yuan and then 30 yuan. So you will write, given the cost price of a present is 30 yuan from China. Yeah, in China. So after that you will write 1 yuan is equal to rupees, whatever you will see from the table. Then 30 yuan is equal to, you will change in the rupees, and then in the statement form you will write the answer. So the cost of present in rupees from China is in India. Or you can write in the statement form, in India the cost price of present is this. Okay. Now next sum is, the Korea is given rupees 0.06 in Indian currency is equal to 1 won from Korea. So rupees 4 is equal to, this number you will take in the numerator, this you will take in the denominator, and this you will take in the numerator. But you can see here decimal is before 2 digits. So when you will remove this decimal from here, cut. So after this 2 digits is here, so 2 zeros you will put here. So 400, 4 ones are 400, and upon 6 when you will divide, so 6 6 are 36, 10 minus 6 4, and 3 minus 3. Again you 6 times bring down this 0, and 6 times again you can divide. Then the left value will be 4. So decimal will give 0, so again you can divide. This process you will show here complete process. Okay, half division I have solved. You will complete. So 2 digits. So you will get in rupees 4. 66.66 won will be there. Okay, we will change rupees 400. So in rupees 0.06 from India is equal to 1 won in Korea. So in rupees 400 is equal to 1 upon 0.06 into 400. But because of the decimal, when you will delete this decimal, after decimal you can see 2 digits, so 2 zeros you will put. So complete process you can see here. 6 6 are 36, then bring down 0, 6 6 are 36, again 0, 6 6 are 36, again you will bring down 0, 6 6 are 36. Now the complete 0 we have used all the 4. So after decimal we will will take, and then 0 we will bring down this 0, 6 6 are 36, again decimal will give 0, 6 6 are 36, this. Okay, now after that you are getting 6,666.66 rupees. Other way what you can do here, you are getting this 66.66 rupees, sorry, won. Okay, here by mistake I have written this. Just a minute, beta. Won is there. Okay, so you will write here won. Now rupees. Okay, 66, 400 you have to calculate, but you know for 4, so from there you can write in rupees 4 equal to rupees 66.66. So in rupees 400 is equal to this. Directly also you can do. Okay, another way, and marks will be given, don't worry. We have to change in Hong Kong dollars of rupees from India, rupees 508. Now in India, rupees 8.40 is equal to 1 Hong Kong dollar. So in India, rupees 1 is equal to, this number you will take in the numerator, this you will take in the denominator, and multiplication, that means numerator, no need to write, you can neglect. In India, rupees 508, same we will multiply in this value. So when 1 upon 8, 0.40 into 508, when you will delete this decimal, after decimal 2 zeros you will put. So 508 0 upon 840. This 0 you can cancel from this, and reduce form if you want to take, divide both the numbers by 2, but directly I am here dividing 5080 by 84. So you can see here 84 ones are 84, 84 twos are 168, 84 threes are 252, 4s are 336, 5s are 420, and 6s are 504. So 6 times 504, 8 minus 4, 4, 0 minus 0, 5 minus 5, bring down this 0. Division is not possible because 40 is less than 84. So we will put here 0. Division is not possible. And then after no number is there, so decimal we will take, and this 0 we will put here. So bring down this 0. So 400. 400, that means in 5 times you are getting, we are getting 420. So 4 times we will divide. So 10 minus 6, 4, and 9 minus 3, 6, and bring down this 0. Okay. Now again decimal will give 0, so bring down this 0, and this time 7 times. You can see here 7 4s are 28, carry over 2s and 58. 7 is a 56 and 2 588. So 52 is remainder. So we can say that in rupees 508 we will get 60.47 Hong Kong dollars. Okay.